Everyone, I am the tutor of this course, and this video consists of the pathway, the complete pathway. In this video, I'll show you the complete pathway of learning Python for data science. So basically, this video consists of the number of lectures now we will learn, and how in which sequence we will learn each lessons. So I have divided the course in 47 approx 47 plus lectures, in which we will learn from basic. Already I have mentioned this course is from basic to advanced. So I'll make the things from basic to advanced. So without wasting time, let's jump to the video. Now let us see about the audience. Which people are our audience? Which type of you can say which type, and who can learn this course, who can take this course. So our audience is beginners. Anyone who is beginner in programming, or he knows some programming language, C++, Java, or any other programming language. If he knows some programming language, or he is very new, or you can say he doesn't know any language, he is zero in programming. So anyone who is zero or he knows some programming language can take this course, because I am taking this course from the beginners to very advanced level. And anyone who is interested in data science, anyone who wants to pursue his career in data science, he want to become a data scientist with Python. I'll mention, if you want someone to become data scientist with Python, then he can take this course. So this course targets beginners in any language, or beginners in Python who would like to dive deeper, means he wants to learn more thing in Python, and someone who wants to become a data scientist can take this course. So this was regarding the audience. Now I'll make some motivation for you guys. I want to motivate you all to take this course, because if you want to learn something and you don't have any motivation, then you can't learn anything. You must need motivation. You need some motivation to proceed in very good manner and pursue anything. So Python, I want to motivate you. Python programming language is very easy language. It is easy of all. It is very easy language, believe me. It can relatively easy to learn, and the most important thing, it allows to solve real world problems. So if you know something about a data scientists actually solve the real world problems. They solve the problems which are faced by the real world, and they solve the problem in just a few concepts. Python is very easy language. It's and Python syntax, if you know something of Python syntax is very easy, like in other language, C++, or any Java language, you have to write a lengthy code to print a single line. Like you want to print hello, if you want to print hello, then in Python you just need to call print and pass hello. I'll teach you everything, but in Python you just need one line code to print hello. But in other language, in other C++, or Java, you need to write 4 or 5 lines of codes to print just hello. So you can understand Python is so easy, and it needs a very few codes to run any problem. Now Python also offers several advanced features that can help greatly to improve programming experience. It offers so many functions, like you can sum the list, you can find the minimum in the list just calling the functions. You don't need to write the complete function. You just need to call that function and pass that list, and you will get the minimum or sum you want to calculate. And now there latest release of Python, there are two latest release of Python. One is 2.0 and other is 3.0. Like, but in this course we will see we will learn Python with 3.0. So this was regarding the motivation, and now we will jump to the objective of the course. Guys, please let me know if I am having any problem. If you face any problem, please comment in the comment box below, so that I can remove that problem and you can learn everything that I am teaching you in very good way. So we will see the objective of this course, objective of this Python course. So this course is designed from basic to advanced level. And Python programming, this Python programming course is intended for data scientists, software engineers, system analysts, program manager, support personnel, and anyone who wishes to learn programming, Python programming. That's all. Anyone can learn Python because it's so easy. Now we will see the materials that I'll be providing during the course. So now let us see about the materials. Means I want to say what type of things I'll be providing in this course. So first thing, I'll provide video tutorials. I'll be making a sequence of video tutorials from now. In last few days I was having my exams, so I was busy, and now I'm free and I'll be making video tutorials. And in each tutorial there will be PowerPoint presentation. PPT in which I'll be presenting the topic, the lecture, and there will be a session, hands-on session, in which I'll present you the workflow in the Google Colaboratory. So I'll provide that Python notebook, and I'll provide some exercise sheets so you can work on yourself and what you have learned till now. And in each week we will have live session of doubts. Anyone clear his doubts in that live session. So in each week we will have the live session for doubts. Now we will see the procedure. Procedure, I mean to say that the pathway means first lesson, then second lesson. And I'll recommend you all guys to please learn things in sequence. And let's say this is ladder, this is the person who know Python, this is beginner, sorry, this is beginner. So you have to be in very sequence. You can't just skip and sequence and become the Python specialist. So learn things in very step manner, learn step by step, and I'll wish you all the best for learning Python. I'll make everything clear. So this is the procedure. I mean to say the first thing we will learn about the origin of Python. We will see how Python originated and how this became the so popular programming language in the world of coding. And now and secondly we will learn, the second lecture will be indentation, means how the code is indented. Like we define a function, then cast dot, and then there will be indentation. From this we'll write the definition of the function from this. So indentation is so important in Python programming language. Then we will learn data types, the variables. if you don't know about data types and variables, I'll make you clear what data types are and what are the variables. So please don't mind. In later videos it will be a particular chapter, it will be a particular video lecture, so don't mind if you don't know. Then we will learn about the operators. Operator means which types of operator, plus, minus, division, and there are so many basic operators we will learn in this video tutorials. Then after that we will learn sequential data types. Sequential data types means lists and strings. So if you don't know any of this, if you don't know about the strings, variables, operators, please don't mind. I am just telling you what lectures we will be learning, so don't mind about this. I'll make everything clear in the coming videos, in coming their lectures. Now after that we will learn about list manipulation. We will manipulate the list, then shallow deep copy. Then we will learn about dictionaries. If I think you must be aware of dictionaries, that we have keys, and corresponding keys we have values. Like in a particular dictionary of English to any other language like Hindi, if key is boy, then its value will be ladka. So this is key and corresponding value is this. So this we have dictionaries in Python also, so don't mind if you don't know. Then we will learn about sets and frozen sets, and after that we will learn an extensive example of using set. After this we will learn how to take input from the keyboard. I mean to say that if you want to take if you want to get the mean of 5 numbers, so you need 5 numbers, if you need 5 numbers from the user, then you have to take input from the keyboard. So how can you take input from the keyboard? In this lecture we will see how can someone take input from the keyboard. Then after we will learn about the conditional statements. Then comes loops. In loops we will learn for loops, and while loops also we will learn while loop and for loops. Then comes difference between iterators and iterables. If you don't know any of this, don't mind, I'll make clear everything later. Now we will output with print, then will come formatted output with string model and format method. Then we will learn about the functions, then recursive function, then we will pass parameter to function. This will come in sequence 16, 17, 18, 19, and all are interconnected. If you don't know about the function, you can't make a recursive function, or you must know the function of recursion to make recursive function. Then after you can pass any parameter in the function. So you must learn in sequence. After knowing the function, learn about the recursion, then pass the parameter to functions. Now comes namespace. You will learn about namespace. You learn about global and local variables. As in this I think second or third lecture you will learn about the variables. And now you will learn about the global and local variables. What are the global variables and what are the local variables? Then you will learn about the decorators, and then memorization of decorators, then read and write files. Then after all this you will learn about the modular programming language, then packages in Python. In these packages you will learn the main packages that Python provides for data scientists, like pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and there are so many libraries and packages provided by Python programming language that are helpful for a data scientist, like matplotlib to plot the graphs, and numpy to calculate the numeric calculation, pandas to work with CSV files, and there are much more. Then we'll learn the regular expression, then regular expression in advance, then we'll learn lambda operator, filter, reduce, and map, and so on. Now, after all this, we will learn about the list comprehension, iterators and generators, exception handling. After learning all this, we will learn the basic concepts of object oriented programming. If you know, Python is object oriented programming. So after learning the basic concepts and some advanced concepts in Python, we will learn the basic concepts of object oriented programming. We will learn about the classes and instances. Then we will learn properties versus scatter and setters. Then we will learn the inheritance in Python object oriented programming. Then we will see some multiple inheritance. Now after this, we will see the magic methods and operators overloading. Then inheritance examples, slots, then classes and class creation, then road to meta class. It will be in sequence 40, 41, 42, like this. So we will learn everything in sequence. And the last two chapters are meta class, use class, count function, call, and abstract classes. So this will be I think will 47, this will be abstract classes, will be our last lecture of learning Python for data science. So this total lectures are 47 till now, and the counting may increase because if we face any problem in any lecture, and then we'll learn that lecture separately, and we can add any lecture, we can add any topic if we need something extra. So guys, this was regarding the course overview, like you can say pathway, complete pathway of learning Python for data science. So best of luck and see you in the next lecture. Thank you. Bye bye.